Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into Nomadz, the virtual workspace that brings remote collaboration to life. Whether you are new to Nomadz or just need a quick refresher, this video will show you how to navigate to your workspace in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Nomadz is a cutting-edge virtual platform designed for remote teams. It offers a realistic space where you can interact, share, and work with your team as if you were all in the same room. It's perfect for anyone looking to boost their productivity and enhance collaboration, no matter where they are in the world. First things first, open Nomadz on your device. You'll be greeted by the login screen. Enter your username, choose an avatar. For example, I'm going to choose this character and hit Join Now to access the server. Once you are in, you'll see your dashboard. This is where you can access everything Nomadz has to offer. You'll find your personal workspace, meeting rooms, and tools all in one map. To get to your workspace, simply navigate your character by using the WASD keys and go to whatever web apps you need. For example, I'm a graphic designer. I need to use Photopea to edit my images. This web app is designed like Photoshop, but online. By left-clicking the screen, I can access Photopea and edit whatever I need. I can even open my account and save work online. In the Paris map, there is 2 meeting rooms. You can set up meetings, manage projects, or just have a meeting. Don't forget, you can customize your workspace to suit your needs. Adjust the font, choose the quality, or choose your UI scale. Just click on the settings icon and customize whatever settings to your liking. And that's it! You are now ready to make the most out of Nomadz. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming tips and tricks. Have any questions or need further assistance? Drop a comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you don't know how to download Nomadz, check out our video on how to download Nomadz. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating!